Hi, I'm Nicholas Robb, the founder and original design hero. I founded Design Hero with one purpose: to help business owners like you to supercharge your marketing success. Our multi-award winning process will help you bring in steady sales from your ideal customers online. We work with clients who provide high quality products and services but aren't getting traction from their marketing efforts. Many of our clients already get good referrals, they do good work, and provide a good service, so it's incredibly frustrating when you don't get any inquiries online and you don't get results from your marketing. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to solve that problem and exactly how we help you. So the biggest problem that our clients have is that they want to run and scale a profitable business online, but they're too busy working in the business instead of on the business. Often they're living hand to mouth in terms of leads, hoping that a referral is going to come in. Some months they're busy, other months they're quiet. It's not really a predictable business model, and it's incredibly hard to scale a business if you're constantly chasing leads. They just think if you work harder, put in more effort, more time, it'll all work out. At this point, they usually try the usual things. You pay for a fancy new logo from a graphic designer, but it doesn't make a blind bit of difference to your business value. You get a website, but your web designer starts ghosting you or half finishes the job and just disappears off the face of the planet. Maybe you're lucky enough to find a web designer that speaks like a human being. They complete your website for you, but it isn't providing you with any inquiries months after launch. Then they go and spend a fortune on Google, social ads, still don't get results. We've seen it all, but don't beat yourself up. This is actually more common than you think. The problem is that most people approach this problem in the worst possible way. The way people usually go about it is they've been told they need a brand or a website, so you call 3 designers looking for the best quote, right? That's the way you do it. Well, if you call a web designer, they only want to do one thing. They want to sell you a website. You've just managed to get 3 quotes for the cheapest possible website that aren't going to actually provide your business with any value whatsoever. That web designer does not care what happens after that website is launched. Once it's done, they're going to disappear and you'll never hear from them again. You won't be able to get hold of them. It's one of the most common complaints that we get from our clients. At Design Hero, we don't care about building you a cheap website. We don't want to build you a cheap website. What we care about is building you something that's actually going to help your business achieve your goals and grow. We care about presenting you with a result. The result that you usually want is to get found online. You want leads from your website. You want to save time on admin by having an automated system. You're not tied to your business all the time. While other agencies like to brag about how big they are, we're a lean team of marketing experts and we work in close relationship with our clients. You don't need 40 creative bums sitting about on beanbags eating avocados. All you need is a small team of pros who know exactly what they're doing. A few key experts who really know what they're doing can provide your business with much better results, much quicker than a big team. So this is how we do it. Every time someone visits your website but doesn't convert, that's a missed opportunity, it's lost profits. I'm about to tell you the main reasons that you're not getting leads online and how to fix it so you can transform your business and start getting new customers. Now, I don't believe in geek speak or tech talk, so I'm going to explain this as simple as I possibly can. Think of your marketing as a bucket with a hole in the bottom, or a funnel if you wish, where paying customers come out the bottom of that bucket. There are usually 3 main sources of lost leads in your bucket or funnel. 1, there's not enough water going in the top of the bucket, you're not generating enough traffic, so you're not getting customers out the bottom. 2, your bucket has holes. Usually this means your brand or messaging or your offer is off or your website's not generating trust, and that's why customers aren't converting. 3, there is no bucket. You don't have a marketing strategy in place, so all that water is going on someone else's bucket. So you see, it's not enough just to consider one part of the marketing mix, you have to look at all of it together. That's the only way you're going to progress. Modern marketing has changed, it's a complex system made up of many parts. A stunning website that delivers no leads is like a fryer without the fuel. It might look amazing, but it's not taking you anywhere. At Design Hero, we've helped transform local businesses into national enterprises with our proven 3-step process, which we've been honing and perfecting over 15 years. I'm about to tell you how it works right now. So the first stage is, we build a colour brand to attract your ideal customers and deliver a powerful message across your entire business. Second, we build a powerful website which acts as an automated sales platform which will sell your business while you sleep. Last, we build a digital marketing strategy to drive consistent traffic to your website and leads come out the bottom. Don't just take our word for it, here's just some of the testimonials we're getting from our customers. Design Hero have completely revamped our website and marketing platform, so happy with the sales, we've had over £15,000 since it started. Design Hero have been a breath of fresh air, sales are growing every month, goals are being updated every month and continue to succeed online. All credit to Nick and his team. That's Martin at RK Sales. We rebuilt his e-commerce website to start generating profit online in tandem with his telesales. Very impressed with the delivery and response times. This investment will significantly increase sales and save me a huge amount of admin time. Wholeheartedly recommend Design Hero. No hard sell, just a nice guy who really knows his stuff.
I'm so glad I settled on Design Hero. Nick listened carefully to my aims and idea. I was very impressed with Nick's response times, and he delivered the final product within the timescales set. Nick's prices reflect the work he puts in. I have no doubt that this early investment in a professional website will significantly increase sales and save me a huge amount of time.
You'll see that if we look at the check-in dates, the LSE show is now pretty much booked out back-to-back for the next year as a result of the new brand, website and digital marketing strategy that they've done. Design Hero have been fundamental in getting my business off the ground. They designed a great quality website and helped me with my marketing strategy, walked me through everything I needed to do, beyond happy with their service, and would recommend them to everyone who needs help marketing their business. Angela at Angela's Soft Furnishings. Nick is a hero. Working alongside him was a pleasure. End result's fabulous. Can't think of enough. Would highly recommend. Chloe from Clever Clogs Nursery. Working with Design Hero was the best thing I've ever done. From start to finish, the whole process was quick, professional, cost effective. Since the new website went live, we have been inundated with new business. Cannot recommend enough. Thanks, Chloe. Eddie from Motor Salvage Group. First class service, very professional, 10 out of 10 for results. We'll be using Design Hero again. This is one of 5 websites that we designed for Motor Salvage Group. In 6 months, they've had over 1,372 goals completed, which works out about 10 inquiries a day. That's pretty consistent across all 5 of their websites. So on average, they're getting about 50 inquiries a day from the work that we've done at Design Hero. The goal conversion rate you'll see is up at 30%, so it converts very well this site. Gary from Power Competitions. Design Hero have been phenomenal from start to finish. Everything designed with excellence and innovation. The service provided after the website was fantastic. They've made this dream beyond belief, and I can't recommend them enough. We'll be in touch in future to expand bigger and better. That's what I like to hear. Design Hero has just completed my new business website. I couldn't be happier. The team is very hands-on, always available for any questions or concerns. The site was literally only launched for a few hours and already having inquiries. Mark from MC Coatings. Design Hero's work helped me stand out in a competitive marketplace. I was new to the process, the quote was very clear, they guided me through the whole project. Amber, Reiki by Amber. Delighted Design Hero went above and beyond and guided my ever-changing thoughts. I have more inquiries already, highly recommend, you are a hero. Thanks Amber. Frederick from Pyramid Solutions. True professionals who understood our company's vision and made it a reality. Turnaround time, communication and payment terms are great. Since working with Nick and seeing the results, we've decided to outsource all our design and marketing projects to Design Hero.
On board what I was saying when I was mentioning different things. I've had a plain website for so long, it's so much better. The way the colours are incorporated into the backdrops, it will stand out against other photographers. When it's as soon as you look, you're like, oh wow, that looks interesting and cool, and it's a bit funky. Then I was advertising for events and I was on message to book, but no one was messaging or no one was booking. But these other dance photographers, I felt like they were selling their sessions out. Whereas if they just clicked a link and they could book it, it makes it easier. I think it will definitely increase in bookings and sales, and you can pay the deposit. But a lot of people prefer just paying on. I only need one web developer. How have you not had any issues at all? And I'm like, no. I literally get emails all the time. I was I even get marketing tips because I signed up to the newsletter. I was like, this is great.
Welcome to my first ever podcast. Yes, it is me, Graham Ashton. Hello there.
To tell you my experience with Design Hero, I needed help setting up a website to host my new podcasts. So I'm quite new to all this kind of stuff. I'd contacted a few digital marketing agencies, felt that they weren't really listening to me too much. They were more just giving me prices for things. Design Hero, I just found that right away. There was something different. They listened to what I was looking for. Communication levels were high. The ideas they gave me were great. Listened to what I had to say, but also gave me their ideas. I've got a social media strategy which now I stick to. I've got an email newsletter which is automated. I was a wee bit blown away actually. There was other people that were cheaper out there. They weren't going to give me what I need. If you're thinking about you need any help to maybe go on to the next sort of stage in your business, I would 100% give Design Hero a look. It's definitely changed everything that I'm doing now, and it's definitely worthwhile and highly recommend. Thanks.
Ready to transform your business from zero to hero? The first step? Book a marketing audit workshop with me, Nicholas Robb. We'll go through your marketing together, one step at a time. I'll show you exactly why you aren't getting leads and exactly how to fix that. This is a live workshop. We'll go through everything step by step. We'll look at your brand, your website and your marketing activities. There's no sales pitch, no hard sell. At the end, you're free to use the insights as you will. These insights will also be applicable to all parts of your business, including face-to-face sales. If you don't feel those insights were valuable, I personally guarantee to refund 100% of the cost of the audit. If you're ready to transform your business, just follow the link in the description below.